Imagine this: you are deep in the wilderness, miles from anywhere, and suddenly a critical piece of your gear breaks. Perhaps a tent pole splinters, your cooking stove wiggles loose, or a strap on your backpack snaps. What do you do when specialized repair shops are a distant memory? A multi-tool can be an absolute game-changer for fixing gear in the wild, offering a compact and versatile solution to a myriad of unexpected problems. Its design consolidates essential tools into one portable unit, allowing you to perform quick repairs that might otherwise halt your adventure or compromise your safety. The core reason a multi-tool is so effective lies in its diverse array of integrated implements, each designed for specific tasks. Most models include pliers, which are invaluable for gripping, bending, and twisting, various screwdriver heads for tightening or loosening fasteners, and a sharp blade for cutting. These foundational tools enable you to tackle everything from mechanical adjustments to fabric mends, providing practical solutions for common gear failures you might encounter outdoors. To use your multi-tool effectively, think creatively about the problem at hand. For instance, you can use the pliers to recrimp a loose tent pole ferrule, or to bend a piece of wire to jury-rig a broken zipper pull. A screwdriver can secure a wobbly stove burner or tighten screws on your sunglasses. The knife or saw can trim excess cordage or create a splint for a broken item, while an awl can punch new holes for repairing a torn backpack strap or gaiter. Even an integrated can opener can assist in prying apart stuck components. What truly sets a multi-tool apart is its ingenious ability to condense an entire toolbox into a pocket-sized device. This innovation means you can carry the equivalent of several pounds of individual tools with just a few ounces of weight, significantly reducing your pack load. Many multi-tools also incorporate less obvious but equally useful items, like bottle openers for refreshing beverages at camp, or a small file for deburring rough edges, proving their utility extends beyond just dire emergencies. Ultimately, carrying a multi-tool empowers you with self-reliance, transforming potential trepending gear failures into minor inconveniences. It provides the means to adapt, mend, and maintain your equipment, ensuring your journey through the wild can continue safely and smoothly, fostering peace of mind even when unexpected challenges arise.